All right, what's up, guys? Tubrepairstore.com. So today we're working on another floor crack. This one they had tried to repair, and if you try to repair it and you don't fix it right, it's just going to get worse. So you got to repair it right, otherwise you're going to have a much larger repair to do in the future. Um, One thing about our floor crack repair kits is they will handle anywhere from large to small cracks. So, if you have a small crack, you may have product left over. If you have a large crack, it's going to be able to cover that. This thing was very, very weak. And so we tested it. I always recommend testing your floor repairs by standing on them once you get your glass putty finished. Stand on it and make sure it's firm. We did do 2 coats of glass putty here just to make sure it was firm enough. You'll see here in the future I actually jump on it right here. So we were very happy with how this turned out. Our tub repair process is the same. It's the same for all repairs. So you either have a large wall repair or a floor crack repair. Really the main difference is going to be, one, you'll add foam to add that support underneath. The large wall repairs, you won't have the step with the foam. So here we're just basically just showing you a close-up of my crotch apparently, but we're matching the color. It's the same process every time. Give us a call if you do have any questions about your repair, if you're not sure which one you should get, or maybe you don't understand one of the steps. Give us a call. More than likely you will talk to me, and I can talk you through your repair. We also encourage you to email us photos of your repair if you have any questions. That helps us see what you're working on, and we can guide you better. Our customer service is top notch. Okay, so we run that in-house. If you have an issue, you're going to talk to somebody, likely me, who knows what they're doing with the tub repair and our process. This process was, essentially developed by us. I wasn't necessarily taught this process by anybody in particular. We learned this process by somebody who we bought the business from a long time ago. We've refined it to what it is today. Our process works very well. It gets you life out of your tub, and it saves you a ton of money. It's also easy to do. A repair like this, you let the foam set up for 2 or 3 hours, but once you're done with that, it's only a couple hours of work. Save yourself $5,000 and repair your tub. Tubrepairstore.com.